herb power.
One teaspoon lemon juice, half teaspoon mustard, a quarter teaspoon dried oregano, 1 tablespoon water.
3.5 ounces chicken breast.
Bake 180 F20-25 minutes.
1 cup lettuce. Half cup tomatoes. 1 tablespoon corn. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. 1 teaspoon olive oil. 1/8 teaspoon black pepper. 1/8 teaspoon salt. Roasted chicken salad recipe. 1 teaspoon olive oil. Defo 1 3-cup onion. 1 garlic clove. 3.5 ounces chicken breast.
A 1/3 cup yellow bell pepper, a 1/3 cup red bell pepper, 2 tablespoon water.
1/8 teaspoon salt and same for black pepper.
A 1/3 cup green beans, steamed or boiled, 1 tablespoon olives, 1 teaspoon cilantro.
Stir-fried chicken with bell peppers. A half cup lettuce. A quarter cup onion. 3 ounces tuna, canned in water. A 1/3 cup canned white beans.
1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, and 1/8 teaspoon salt.